Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn GCP with Mahesh. So we are discussing Dress4win for the past 1 week. So let's continue discussing that. So today we'll discuss about the business requirements. So the first requirement is build a reliable and a reproducible environment, which is scaled parity of production. What it means is you should have exactly the same kind of setup in cloud, and this is they are mentioning in par with your production. So what they are indicating is this is nothing but your disaster recovery uh, project in GCP. It should look exactly the configuration, the machine type, everything should look the same for your DR, because DR, if the production fails, they need to fail over to DR, right? So it has to be in sync. That is one thing, and it should be in par with the production. Everything should be as is. That is the important thing. Let's move on to the next requirement. So define some security by adhering to some of the best practice of cloud IAM. So that's what they are mentioning here. So you can immediately expect some questions on cloud IAM. So what are the questions? Based on our previous videos, we had seen they want to create a different project, a project for dev, test, DR. That is the thing. So meaning three different projects. So when you create different projects, you need to definitely create roles. So that is very important. And when you're creating roles, please always follow the best practice like principle of least privilege. That is one thing. And definitely create projects for different environments. Don't try to club it. So those are independent entities. The simple thing is create projects. So that is the option. Moving on to the next business requirement, improve business agility and speed of innovation through rapid provisioning of new resource. They want to provision resource very fastly. That is the key thing. So if you want to provision resource infrastructure, what is the thing which strikes you? Deployment manager. Very straightforward, and you can do multiple times deployment repeatedly. So that is the option there. So let's move on to the next option and the last one, which is analyze and optimize the architecture for performance in cloud. So in cloud, we already have three projects. One is for dev, production, dev, test, and DR. So they want to analyze and optimize the architecture for performance. So to do this, one important thing which you need to do is you need to monitor your application, whether it is running successfully without any issues in cloud. That is one thing you need to find. You need to find, is there any glitches? To do all those things, the key important thing is to have Stackdriver tools, suite of tools here. So you can have Stackdriver monitoring, Stackdriver logging, Stackdriver error reporting, Stackdriver debugging if you want to debug, Stackdriver trace to see whether there's any latency issues. So Stackdriver suite of products would really definitely help in this case. So that's it for today. Hope the video is helpful. Please let me know in the comment section if you want me to do a video on a specific GCP concept. I'm happy to do that. Thanks for watching.